what's up guys, and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we are going to be tying a very simple pattern. This is a Collie Dog. This is actually one in the number 14, but the one we are going to tie, that is on a treble hook number 18. So 2 numbers down, and as you see, I fit the hook in the vise. I'm using a Mustad hook for this since we do not have RX hooks in this size. Yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can find the pattern of the fly, which is obviously very simple, in the video's descriptions. And we are using a Semperfli Nano silk 30 denier in black for this fly, and for comparisons we have again the one number 14, so you can kind of realize the size differences. We tied, if I recall, one video with this fly. We will be tying more of it. This version we will tie like maybe larger treble hook one, and then we are going to tie some tube versions of it, and even some hitches. It just all depends. This particular one I'm gonna tie with a naked body, so we are not going to do a tinsel body on it. So it's only gonna be the wing, naked body, and the head of the fly. And for the wing we are using a black squirrel. And I have got like a decent chunk of it here. With such a small fly, it is important to not overdress the fly, especially if you're thinking of the fly to use it for low water or like sensitive circumstances on the water when you have low water, sunny weather, and we have like scared fish or some like a difficult fish to reach and catch. One thing might be that you must not overdress the fly. So you measure out about the hook shank of the length as a wing, like twice the hook shank, about, not exactly, but when we trim off the hair like this, and to keep the chunk of the hair in one place, I keep them in my finger and get like a little head varnish here, apply that, just like a little drop of it, and that means it's gonna stick together. Yeah, you hear the siren outside. I'm actually recording this video in Warsaw in Poland, doing a little traveling here for a wedding by my friend, but I'm always tuned in any day, any time for the channel to make content for you guys. But then we'll tie on the head. As you see, looks pretty good. And this is, I would say, about it. This is like a superb, simple fly. And we'll just make a hat on it and build up the hat. But Collie Dog is one of the very good salmon patterns. I think it's originally from Scotland, if I recall it right. George Ross was his name. Maybe I'm yeah. I think it was originally by named George Ross. Just leave it in the comment below if I'm wrong, and I will update the video description. And we'll just make a couple of finishes and trim off the end here. So if you guys want to support the channel, you will find information on that in the video description. There's a PayPal link there, and all the donations we get, I use it to upgrade the equipment, buy some fly tying materials and stuff. and some percent, 15% of the donations I give that to charity for the Children's Hospital in Reykjavik, and then Kraftur, which is a organization for young people diagnosed with cancer. So donating to the channel is not donating to me personally, but for some really good deeds as well. As said, we'll just fry that UV Solarez Bone Cure UV resin with our UV torch for like 10-15 seconds, and then we are done. I would just want to say, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the video, and I would say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.